dinosaurs. The dinosaurs. Please do not approach the dinosaurs. They might be small, but they're fierce creatures. Brought by Aloha Kea Tours. Alright guys, I put this little recording here for you guys. That was not my voice, of course. Just so you guys are aware that you're now in dinosaurs territory, yes. So you might see some dinosaurs today. Usually the big ones, they're out way early in the morning. So we might see some small ones today. If we see them, I'm going to point it out, say what the family they belong to and the names and stuff. So let's just keep our eyes peeled.